driving away from the San Bernardino Sheriff's Department at a high rate of speed and continued well into Orange County. It looks like our units picked it up somewhere in Orange County on the 91 freeway westbound. We are now, looks like we got off the freeway from the 110 freeway southbound, and he's traversing city streets in the South LA area.
And Officer Ramirez, our helicopter pilot, tracked him at about 130 miles per hour. Is that what you're getting?
That's what I'm getting here on my log, that apparently he had exceeded speeds of over 100 miles per hour, which of course is of great concern to us because at that rate of speed, this vehicle can, well, a lot of things can happen. If he's involved in some type of a collision, there could be some very serious injuries. But also this vehicle traveling at that rate of speed could easily crash and possibly disintegrate on impact.
All right, Officer Vince Ramirez from the CHP, thanks so much for joining us. Let's go back up to Gil Levis. He's overhead in Sky 9. And Gil, it looks like he went behind the building. There he is.
Wow, Sandra, it's really hard to keep up with this guy, which streets he's on. He's northbound right now. We'll try to get that street for you. But